Water leaks and moisture penetration can weaken concrete, leading to costly damage. Prevent this with a high-performance waterproofing solution. Here are simple steps on how to protect concrete. Make sure your surface is clean and free of dust, dirt, or loose debris. Step 1. In a clean container, prepare a small batch of Blockout leak plug by mixing 3 parts Blockout leak plug powder to 1 part clean water. Mix thoroughly until a smooth, lump-free paste is achieved. Note: the working time is approximately 3 to 5 minutes before the material begins to stiffen. Step 2. Use a spatula or putty knife and apply the mixed Blockout leak plug to all corner joints. Ensure firm compaction into the joints. Allow the material to cure for a minimum of 2 hours. Step 3. In a separate clean container, add 1.75 liters of clean water to 5 kilograms of Blockout Crystor powder. Mix using an electric paddle mixer until a homogeneous, lump-free slurry is obtained. Allow the mixture to rest for 15 minutes, then briefly remix before application. Step 4. Apply the first coat of Blockout Crystor using a brush or roller, ensuring even coverage across the surface. Allow the first coat to cure for 24 hours. Step 5. Apply the second coat of Blockout Crystor using a flat steel trowel to achieve a smooth and uniform finish. To achieve optimal waterproofing results, keep the Blockout Crystor surface damp by sprinkling or spraying water 3 times a day for 3 consecutive days. Proper curing allows the crystalline waterproofing to fully develop and seal the substrate. With proper application and curing, this system delivers reliable, long-lasting protection, keeping concrete safe, dry, and structurally sound. Available at all BUILDRITE hubs nationwide and in all official BUILDRITE online stores.